Hey y'all, beat the casino in 2024. Tip number 1. Use this force spot. It is AI suggested, and changing Keno numbers every now and again changes the Keno machine algorithm. Have you tried these Keno numbers yet? Let's see how we did with this video already in progress. Yes, a 4 out of 4 on the D card. Be sure and write these AI Keno numbers down. Also, this Keno tip succeeded in changing the Keno machine algorithm. Yes, subscribe to win at Keno. Let's go on to the next Keno tip of the day. Yes, okay y'all. Tip number 2. Try to use max bet as often as you can. Yes, with max bet on, make a coin change as well. Again, bet whatever you can afford. This tip number 2 works for all Keno games and will change your Keno machine algorithm. Okay, let's see how this works with Cleopatra Keno. Yes. Okay. Notice the max bet is on. Also, the AI Keno numbers are 55, 56, and 64. My lucky Keno numbers, on the other hand, are 54 and 66. We affectionately call this the doghouse. Be sure and write these Keno numbers down. Ah, cool. Yes, a 4 out of 5. Don't you love it? 480 credits, cool. Last play coming up. Yes, okay, 480 credits for the bonus. Ah, yes, the 3 out of 5 got us into the bonus. All in at a total of 510 credits. Listen up, subscribe to win at Keno. Okay, let's go on to Keno tip number 3. Yes, beat the casino in 2024 with new AI Keno tips and tricks. Okay, tip number 3. Mix AI Keno numbers with your lucky Keno numbers. Again, this drives the Keno machine algorithm crazy. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to win at Keno. Okay, let's take a look at another set of winning AI Keno numbers already in progress. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, 4-card Keno. And it looks like B card just hit a 6 out of 7. You know what? That's what we're looking for. Okay. What are you waiting for? Write your free Keno numbers down. Join the YouTube AI Keno community and subscribe to start winning at Keno. Beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video, and thanks for watching this video. See you next week.